Former West Indies cricketer Waver Hines and horse racing stakeholder Robert Darby Jr. are urging athletes, especially para-athletes, to make taking the COVID-19 vaccine a priority. As we hear in this report from Denise Walters, both Hines and Darby Jr. were recently appointed chefs de mission for the Paralympic Games in Paris and the Para World Championships in Hungary, respectively.
Waver Hines, recently appointed chef de mission for the Para Championships of 2022 and the Paralympic Games of 2024, says when the COVID-19 vaccine becomes available for them, athletes should get on board.
I still believe that there's no other alternative beyond the science to show me that it is not wise to take. So I'll encourage everyone to speak with their medical practitioners and make a decision from there, because certainly that's what I'll be doing.
Hines is supported by Robert Darby Jr., the newly appointed chef de mission to the Para World Championships in 2023.
For a fact, we know that COVID kills. Me being in the horse racing industry, I've seen where the goat meaning greatest of all time, when the caster pass away. This thing don't favor if you're a champion or if you're a small fry or if you're average Joe. It takes away anybody's life.
Both men in their new roles are looking to help grow para sports in Jamaica.
One of the best ways to recruit persons is to make sure that you show what are the benefits of being a part of such a good movement, and to certainly demonstrate whatever the outcomes you are looking for as a team.
For Darby Jr., he has his eyes on Ocheria's high school sprinter Jonathan Ferguson.
The Paralympic Association have been in touch with him and have been in touch with his coaches at Ocheria's High, as far as I understand. He has a disability where he has a deformity in the hand. So that qualifies him for a certain group in athletics. What they go by is the severity of the disability.
It is to be noted that 4 others were appointed chefs de mission for other competitions, including the 2022 Commonwealth Games. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.